Industrial cleaning has always been a tough gig. We're talking about that stubborn rust that just won't budge, layers of caked-on paint, and all kinds of grime that seems like it's become part of the surface itself. And yeah, the old ways of dealing with it are often messy, they can damage the material, and they usually involve some pretty harsh chemicals. But what if there was a totally different way to tackle it?
It sounds like something straight out of science fiction, doesn't it? Seriously, just imagine pointing a tool at a rusty part and poof, the rust just disappears, leaving a perfectly clean surface behind. Well, guess what? It's not sci-fi anymore. That technology is very real, and it's happening right now.
And this is the magic behind it all. It's called laser cleaning. So here's how it works in plain English. A super focused beam of light zaps the contaminant, the rust, the paint, whatever it is, and instantly vaporizes it. But here's the absolutely crucial part. The laser is tuned so that only the contaminant absorbs the energy, not the actual material you're trying to clean. That means it's an incredibly precise, non-damaging process.
Okay, so we get the basic tech, which is super cool, right? Now, let's talk about a company that's dedicated its entire focus to mastering it, to see how this science actually gets applied out there in the real world.
Meet Chihalo Laser, and they've been deep in this game since 2016. Now think about that for a second. That's a solid amount of time dedicated to perfecting this specific technology, not just developing it, but really refining it for all kinds of industrial jobs.
And this quote, it really tells you everything you need to know about their philosophy. They're not just cranking out one-size-fits-all machines. Their whole focus is on creating custom, high-quality laser systems that are built specifically for what a client needs. It's about getting the right solution, not just a solution.
And because they're so focused on those custom solutions, it means they've had to build out a really impressive and versatile lineup of tools. It seems like no matter how big, small, or tricky the job is, they've probably engineered a machine for it.
So when you look at what they offer, you see they've thought of the whole process. Obviously, you have the laser cleaning machines, that's the bread and butter. But they also make laser marking machines for things like industrial labeling, and just as important, all the safety gear to go with it. It's a whole package, you know?
Diving a little deeper into the cleaning machines, you can really see that range. For jobs out in the field or in really tight spots, they've got portable and even backpack machines. Then you've got different types of lasers for different jobs. Pulse lasers deliver these short, powerful bursts that are perfect for delicate work. On the other hand, you have continuous wave or CW lasers that provide a constant beam for faster cleaning on tougher stuff. And for the really big leagues, they have fully automated machines that you can plug right into a factory production line.
Okay, so we've got the tech, we've got the tools, but what does this stuff actually do? This is where it gets really, really exciting. Let's look at the incredible range of problems this one technology can solve.
I mean, just look at this list. It's amazing. We're talking about taking rust and corrosion right off of metal without scratching or damaging the surface underneath. Imagine stripping paint and varnish from wood without a single piece of sandpaper or any of those nasty chemical strippers. You can even zap graffiti off of stone or remove old finishes from delicate furniture. The precision is just off the charts. Each one of these things used to need its own messy and often destructive method. Now one technology can handle it all.
So when you step back and look at the whole picture, it becomes pretty clear what they're all about. This isn't just about selling a piece of hardware. It's about partnering with you to provide a complete, intelligent solution to a specific problem.
So let's just boil it down. What's the Chihalo advantage? Well, first, you're getting a custom, high-quality machine that's actually built for the job you need to do. You get professional technical support to back you up, they're set up to handle a huge variety of needs, and at the end of the day, their main focus is just on delivering fantastic, reliable performance.
Their tagline really hits the nail on the head. This isn't just a new way of cleaning, it's a smarter way. It's efficient, it's incredibly precise, it's non-damaging, and it's a whole lot better for the environment than a lot of the old methods.
So look, if you're out there dealing with any of these tough industrial cleaning challenges, this is definitely something to look into. If any of this has sparked your interest, you can reach out directly to the experts at Chihalo and see if laser cleaning is the right move for you.